Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2023 Ford Transit Connect equipped with the Driverge rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. We will first open up the lift here and then use this to unlock the ramp. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. In the back, you will have room for the wheelchair user. And in the middle, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And this van here only has 28,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. Use this handle to lift it up. Make sure it's locked in its spot and close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this one is going to have 28,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.